Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see one more concept in computer networks, that is IGMP protocol. So in our previous session we have seen the IP headers, and we are discussing about internet control protocols. In that we have seen ICMP protocol, right? Now we'll see IGMP protocol. So IGMP stands for Internet Group Management Protocol. Group Management Protocol. So what is this group management? So we have seen different kinds of communications. In that we have seen a unicast communication, multicast and a broadcast. So in that, what is a multicast? So multicast communication means, so uh, sending messages, sending the data to multiple devices simultaneously. Okay, so sending the information to the multiple devices simultaneously. Best example is a video live streaming. So the live streaming can be accessed to the different devices. Okay, so sending data to multiple devices is simultaneously is called as a multicast. This main IGMP protocol is mainly, it is a network layer protocol, because we are discussing about the network layer protocols. So it is a network layer protocol mainly used for multicast communication. Used for multicast communication. Okay, so here the communication will be between, so this protocol will be used between the host and routers. Host and routers, not in between the routers and not in between the host. So it will be used in between a host and routers. So how it will be used? So here the host sends the message to the router telling the willingness of receiving the data. So here the host will send the IGMP message to the router that that particular device is ready to receive the message or to involve in the multicast group. Okay, so it will send the message. Here the message is nothing but our IGMP message. IGMP message. Okay, so the main functionality, the main functions of this particular IGMP are, so managing entry and exit from multicast groups. So this main function of this IGMP protocol is for managing the entry and exit from the multicast group. So what entry and what exit? So the device or host, okay, it will allow the host to entry and exit from the multicast group. Now we'll see functions. What are the functions of this particular IGMP protocol? So mainly it is having the three functions. So the first one is joining the group. So here, as the name itself indicates, the host sends IGMP message to the router. So everything will be done by the router. So it will send the IGMP message to the router to receive data in multicast group. So automatically the router will add this particular host to the multicast group. And the second functionality, leave the group. So here also the name itself indicates, so the host gives the information, or router removes, that means exits, removes the host from the group if host doesn't want to receive the data. Okay, so joining the group as well as leave the group. Joining means the host wants to receive the data, so it will give the request message to the router to add that particular device to the multicast group. And if the the device or host doesn't want to receive the data, so the router will remove that particular device from that multicast group. And the third one is a membership management. So here the name itself indicates the router keep tracks all the active members. Here members itself is a host, active members in the group. So it will maintain the active members who are ready to receive the message. So these three are the functions of this particular IGMP protocol, Internet Group Management Protocol. Right? So we'll see the steps, the working of IGMP protocol. Okay. Simple. Whatever we have seen so far, that itself is a working of IGMP. So working. So the first step, host sends the membership report. To router. Okay, this membership report itself means the host is ready to receive the messages sent in some multicast group. So the router immediately adds this host to the multicast group. Next, router sends query message. Okay, to all the hosts. So it will send some message to host to identify which are active and which are not active. That means which wants to receive the data and which doesn't want to receive the data. And for this particular query message, if host replies to query message, implies still host wants to receive the message. Wants to stay back in multicast group. So it will wait for this message. Okay. So the router waits for the host reply. If router gets the reply from the host for this query message, that implies host still wants to be remains in the multicast group and wants to receive the data. And if no reply, so that indicates host doesn't want to receive the message in multicast group. That means the host doesn't want to continue in the multicast group. So immediately the router will remove that host from the multicast group. So this happens. This is a working. Okay. The main functionality of IGMP is to manage the host which wants to receive the data, which wants to add or leave from the multicast group. So mainly this protocol is used for multicast communication. In the multicast communication. So one example just now I have said for this multicast communication is live streaming. Okay, so those who registered for that particular router, they can only be available to receive the data in that particular group. So this is the IGMP protocol, Internet Group Management Protocol. It's a network layer protocol. Right? So hope you understood this one, and I'll stop here. And if you are having any query regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.